Advantages of clay 3D printers. 1. Natural and eco-friendly materials. Using traditional materials like clay or ceramic mud, products have a natural texture, ideal for artistic creation and ceramic products. 2. Texture close to handcrafting. They can simulate the texture and plasticity of handmade pottery, suitable for works pursuing traditional craftsmanship, such as sculptures, tea sets. 3. Strong post-processing flexibility. Printed clay models can be further hand-modified and glazed, and they become highly rigid after firing, suitable for long-term preservation.